Coach Amber here, and I've shared with you all a recipe for a spicy Southwest salad. Today I'm doing things a bit different, and I have shared a video that is really helpful in order for you to try and make this at home. But this is one of my favorite salads, and I want to show you how I try to make it a little bit more healthy. So instead of just using lettuce in my salad, I love to use a handful of baby spinach. Baby spinach has so many great vitamins and nutrients, and as I'm sure some of you know, leafy greens are so good for you. So instead of lettuce, I'll use a handful of baby spinach, and I'll use a handful of, we've got some leafy green romaine. As you all see, this is what I actually eat, and so I've been eating on these salad greens all week long. Also, in my Southwest salad, I love to add pepitas, and I got this container here from Publix, I'm sorry. And they are so good. They add a good crunch to your salad, and they also have 9 grams of protein in each serving. So these are a great addition to any salad, but to the Southwest salad and the recipe that I'm going to be giving to you all today. Also, I love to go ahead and add in black beans. That's definitely in the recipe, and sometimes I'll even add a boiled egg. I love a protein-packed salad because it helps me to feel nice and satiated for the lunch part of the day. So this is something quick and easy that you can put together the evening before, and you can just put your dressing to the side and pour it on when you're ready to enjoy. Speaking of dressing, sometimes I'll use a dressing such as this. This is Hidden Valley Ranch, their Southwest Chipotle. But you have to be careful with using dressings such as this because they are really high in calories, and if you're like me, you can get carried away with the dressing. So what I would suggest is you can try the avocado dressing that will be included in the link that I will send you all, or you can make your own dressing even simpler by making the ranch with the Greek yogurt that I suggested in my previous healthy snacks video. And you can just add in, guess what? You can add in just a couple tablespoons of your favorite salsa, spicy or mild, and that can be your dressing. It'll be so delicious. I've tried it before, so I know it works. And if you all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I would be happy to help, and I might have answers. Well, thank you all for watching this video. I know it's a bit different, but I hope you enjoyed, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.